What if I told you that your brain is actively working against your New Year's resolutions? It's true, that ambitious list of goals you made. Eat healthier, exercise more, learn a new language, stands a shockingly small chance of survival past February. But this isn't a story about failure. This is a story about how you can hijack your own brain chemistry to finally make those resolutions stick. So, why do most New Year's resolutions fail, according to science? The problem lies deep within our neural circuitry. Our brains are efficiency machines, designed to automate behaviors into habits to conserve energy. This is governed by a part of the brain called the basal ganglia. When you try to introduce a new, difficult behavior, you're fighting against deeply ingrained neural pathways. It is like trying to carve a new path through a dense forest, when there is already a well-trodden highway available. Your brain will almost always default to the easier, established route. This is why willpower alone is often not enough. It's a finite resource that gets depleted, a concept known as ego depletion in the psychology of self-control. The problem, therefore, is a fundamental conflict between our conscious desires and our brain's subconscious programming. We set vague, overly ambitious goals that get fit without a concrete plan. This overwhelms the prefrontal cortex, the part of your brain responsible for planning and decision-making. When faced with this cognitive overload, your brain seeks comfort in old, easy habits. Procrastination kicks in, not because you're lazy, but as a stress response. Your brain is essentially protecting you from the discomfort of change. The motivation that felt so powerful on January 1st fizzles out because it was based on emotion, not on a sustainable, brain-friendly system. We are trying to win a neurochemical battle with sheer force of will, and it's a battle we are neurologically programmed to lose. But here's the solution. You can hack this system. The key is neuroplasticity, your brain's incredible ability to rewire itself. Instead of fighting your brain, you need to work with it. Let's dive into some neuroscience tips for achieving your goals. First, make your goals incredibly specific and small. Instead of exercise more, try to do a 10-minute walk after lunch on Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. This is a brain-based strategy to keep resolutions because it provides a clear, manageable instruction that doesn't overwhelm your prefrontal cortex. This is one of the most effective habit change hacks, backed by science. Next, you need to create a habit loop. This consists of a cue, a routine, and a reward. Let's say your goal is to read more. Your cue could be placing a book on your pillow. The routine is reading one page. The reward is the feeling of accomplishment, or even just the comfort of getting into bed. This reward phase is crucial. It releases dopamine, the feel-good neurotransmitter, which tells your brain, hey, that was good. Let's do it again. This is the core of motivation and habit science. By consistently linking a cue, a routine, and a reward, you are literally rewiring your brain for habits, creating a new neural pathway that, with time, will become as automatic as brushing your teeth. To break bad habits, using brain science, you can apply the same logic. Identify the cue for the bad habit and replace the routine with a better one. Your key takeaway is this. Achieving your New Year's resolutions isn't about having more willpower. It's about understanding and working with your brain's natural operating system. Your brain loves habits, so your job is to consciously and strategically build the habits you want. Use the power of neuroplasticity to your advantage by starting small, being specific, and creating rewarding habit loops. Stop trying to force change and start designing it. You have the ability to re-architect your own mind for success. So, are you ready to finally conquer your resolutions this year? Don't just make a list. Make a brain-friendly plan. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more insights into hacking your brain for a better life. And in the comments below, tell us the one small, specific habit you're going to start building today. Let's make this the year your resolutions become your reality.